In today's video, we are going to show you how to enable location sharing in Mozilla Firefox. Let's begin. Open Firefox and go to the top right corner where you can see the three horizontal lines. Click on it and scroll down to Settings. Now, in the left side area of the navigation, hover to Privacy and Security and then scroll down until you can find the Permissions. This section controls permissions like camera, microphone, location, and a lot more. If you're having trouble finding the permissions section, all I have to do is use the search button here. For example, type in permissions, all right? And I want you to click the location, click the button next to it, and this will create a pop-up window. Now, all I have to do is very simple. To allow a specific site, select it and select it to allow. Now, if you want to remove websites or block websites, you can do so. Or if you want to remove all websites, you should do it yourself. It's super simple. Now, you want to make sure that the block new requests asking to access your location is unchecked if you want websites to ask permission, and click the Save Changes. Now, when you visit a website that needs your location, Firefox will show a pop-up near the address bar. Simply click Allow Location Access. It's super simple, and basically that's how you enable location sharing in Mozilla Firefox. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.